Welcome back to Einhub, your go-to channel for crypto gems, listings, and alpha. Today, we're diving into Seed, the hottest new project just listed on KuCoin's World Premiere. Plus, we'll show you how to grab Seed rewards from their official platform. Let's get started. If you don't already have a Binance account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. KuCoin's latest World Premiere listing is making waves. Here's why Seed matters. Innovative use case. Sentence pitch, e.g., Seed powers decentralized green energy trading. Trading live now. Pair Seed USDT with deposits and withdrawals open. Exclusive early access. Buy before it hits major exchanges. Ready to trade? Follow these steps. Fund your KuCoin account with USDT or other supported coins. Search for Seed in the World Premiere section. Place your buy order and hodl for potential gains. Want free Seed tokens? Here's how to claim rewards. Visit the official Seed website. Display URL www.seedproject.io rewards. Connect your wallet or complete tasks, e.g. social media follows, referrals. Earn points and redeem them for Seed tokens. Limited time only. That's it. Will you be trading Seed or hunting rewards? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more crypto listings and hidden gems. Links to KuCoin and Seed's reward site are in the description.